Hi guys, in this video I am sharing my ideas on the topic deductions and explanations, class 12, meaning into words, compulsory English, grade 7. Here the focus is on the use of must, can't, may and might. Well, the act of reaching on a conclusion, observing the given situation is deduction. We deduce here, and for example, let's see one of the situation. I'm sure he is walking. Here I'm sure shows here the certainty, and from this we can make the conclusion, and from this point we can make this: he must be walking. The clothes we can see here, he is walking here, and this he is walking, we can deduce this one as we must be walking. So for deductions we can see some clues here, some of the conditions we can observe here. Well, I am sure plus positive clause, I am sure, then negative clause, perhaps maybe with a positive clause, and perhaps maybe with negative clause. So well, if there is I'm sure plus positive, we must use there the most. Negative one can't, positive may and might, and perhaps maybe with negative clause, may, might, not. Well, let's see some examples here. I'm sure she is feeling ill. I'm sure he's not friends. Perhaps he is going to ask me. Maybe they haven't finished. So, how can we do this? Okay, this can be done as I'm sure with positive clause. You can see she is feeling ill. She must be feeling ill. I'm sure with negative clause is there. It can't be friends. Perhaps positive one. Maybe going to ask me. And maybe with the negative clause is there. Might not have finished. So let's see how to use it. This is the process. So at first we need to decide which one to use. Out of these, must, can't, may or might. Then begin with the subject of the clause. There is the clause after it. So use must, can't, may, might after it. Always we need to use verb 1. So let's see here once. Here perhaps he's tired. Here perhaps, on the basis of it we can decide, we can use here either may or might. Then our clause is he's tired. So subject he, might, be. Here it changes here. Verb 1 is be and tired. Let's see another one. Sure is coming. Here I am sure, because of it we use most. Positive clause is there, our clause, and this can be done as she must be coming. Some other examples, let's see here. So far we have done of present clauses. Now we can find here past clauses with this one. So for this one you can see I have used here different color for this one. I'm sure negative clause, so can't can be used here. So she can't. Here we need verb one. So in past tense we have to add there have, and the given verb should be in third form. So what changes here? Been here. Next one, positive one. She must have been feeling ill. Similarly, next one you can say here. Here also past tense. So what changes here into have been. And finally this one with perhaps, might, or in place of it we can use it may too. So we can conclude now. I'm sure with positive clause, I'm sure with negative clause, perhaps with positive clause, or perhaps maybe with negative clause. We can use in such way: must, can't, may, might, or may, might not. After it always verb one we need to use it. So for the present clauses, subject plus must, can't, may, might plus verb one. And for the past clauses, after it have plus verb 3. We should not forget it. This is the main key. Well, today this much. Thank you very much.